Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a haul, so we have something to do while we're all bored during quarantine. So I'm just gonna show you some nail supplies that I've gotten in the mail recently. First, sorry if you hear cars, it's really annoying. First, I got these decals, or like little gold charms and gem from AliExpress, and yeah, they're really cute. Look out for TikToks using those. Then I went to Dollar Tree and I found this freaking e-file for $1. So of course I had to pick that up. I want to make a separate video just on the file to see, what you're getting for $1. So stay tuned for that video. And also my nails look really busted because I popped off a nail getting our toaster out. I honestly don't know how I did it, but I felt like a slight breeze on my nail and I looked down and that was what I saw. Anyways, after that I got some cuticle oil, and then from NailSupplyGlamour I got a new dapping dish because the lid to mine was broken, and I really like that dapping dish because it's a nice size and it keeps the smell in the dapping dish. And then I also got a new brush from NailSupplyGlamour, a size 10. And then I also got some monomer. You also, on my last haul, I got a smaller size to try out, and I actually really like their monomer. So I went ahead and ordered a bigger size. And then I went ahead and got these little 1/4 ounce little containers to put like glitter mixes and like custom powders and stuff in. I went ahead and got 4 more of their new acrylic powders. And to swatch them, I'm using the new brush that I got and their brand monomer. So that first one was like a super dark, like vampy purple. That's gonna be good for Halloween. I really like that color. I tried to get colors that I didn't have a lot of, because I have a lot of light pastels and stuff. So I try to go for like darker colors, or like colors I don't have enough of. So the second one is this dark, like bloody red, which I also really like. And I'll be sure to link everything down below so you can just check the description box and find the link to the powder, the monomer, like all that stuff. And then I got this like light tan color, which it kind of came a little spilled, but you just had to be really careful taking the plastic off to make sure you didn't dump it on the floor and waste it. And that's what that looks like. It's really pretty. I don't have any color like that at all. And then I couldn't resist from like a light color, so I got this light green, which at first I thought it was going to be kind of the same color I got in my last NailSupplyGlamour haul, but this one's actually not as light. It's like a little bit darker, which I really like. And then these are the colors, kind of matte and then glossy. Those were all the colored powders I got. And then I got this big 8 ounce container of crystal clear because I ran out of clear. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to follow me on TikTok because that is what I am most active on currently, since we're all stuck at home with nothing to do. Comment down below any new videos or anything you guys want to see. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.